places that I roam. Sometimes I forget what a good friend you are. Probably don't let you run enough in the yard. Dogs are angels God puts in our lives. Each one loved even after saying goodbye. The memories made won't ever be lost through summer's heat or cold winter's frost. Dogs are special regardless of their breed. Faithful companions, yes they are indeed. But I'd miss you if you were not there. My bed and my clothes are covered in hair. Unconditional love, for me that's what you got. I love you too, yes I love you a lot. Wish you could stay forever with me. Never goodbye, just eternity. Dogs are angels God puts in our lives. Each one loved even after saying goodbyes. The memories made won't ever be lost through summer's heat or winter's cold frost. Dogs are special regardless of their breed. Faithful companions, yes they are indeed. I clean up your dog crap you leave in the yard. Wait long enough and it's hopefully hard. Sit by the door when I'm ready for work. Can't always take you, makes me feel like a jerk. Comb your fur regularly, looking for tips that you got running through the field and the sticks. You're always faithful, loyal and true. Probably what I love best about you. Dogs are angels God puts in our lives. Each one loved even after saying goodbyes. The memories made won't ever be lost through summer's heat or winter's cold frost. Dogs are special regardless of their